So, is it justified to charge differently from different patients? That is what we are going to talk in this video, and we are starting right now. Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Taha Khan. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share with you clinic and exam related productivity tips and strategies. If this is your first time here, start now by subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss anything. Okay, so before I start speaking on this topic, I actually wanted this to be a sort of a discussion. But since on this platform on YouTube this is not possible and it has to be a monologue, so I want all of you to use the comment section because that is the only place where we can discuss things, and I want all of you to comment your thoughts on this topic irrespective of what I think or what I say in the video. Medical profession is a very noble profession, and as doctors we are always in a confusion that how much we should charge our patients. So if this confusion is happening to you also, and if you have ever gone through such a thought or confusion, then you might get the correct answer in this video. There are many points that I would like to talk on, so let us discuss one by one. This question will click on everyone's mind who is going to start a new clinic or a hospital or a new setup. Firstly, you need to understand that no two patients will be identical. Thereby, no two cases can exactly be the same. Every disease, every patient, every case demands a different approach, a different treatment, thereby different set of remedies. Therefore, no two bills can also be the same. Okay, so first let me talk on why the consultation charge is justified. Now, you may think that why a doctor is charging such a high fee for just 10 minutes of consultation. You need to understand, basically you need to understand this first, that to diagnose in those 10 minutes, to provide you with the accurate treatment in those 10 minutes, a doctor has to study for almost 9 to 10 years and has to acquire a knowledge of almost 15 to 19 subjects. For almost a decade, he has studied how to provide you with the accurate treatment in those 10 minutes. So if you want me to put that in points, then I would say number one, non-stop study for almost a decade, because a doctor's professional career starts a lot later, because most of my friends, their professional career has started a lot earlier than mine. Second, cracking the toughest entrance exams. Third, sacrificing social life. And fourth, knowing the risk of being in a healthcare sector where people blame and even try to harm the healthcare professionals. There was this meme that I saw on Facebook that Usain Bolt won 8 gold medals in 3 Olympics and he ran for less than 115 seconds, earning almost $119 million. That is almost over $1 million for every second he ran. But for those 2 minutes, he trained for 20 years. So similarly, you don't pay a doctor for the minutes of his consultation, you pay him for the years. Now that we know that a consultation fee is a doctor's right, we also need to understand that there is no hard and fast rule. Few doctors may charge a minimal fee, but that is completely their choice. The doctor who is charging a high fee should not be looked down upon. And even I have found that the doctor who is charging very less fee is sometimes looked down upon, that the doctor is charging such a less fee. We don't know that if the doctor will be able to treat properly or not. So these things shouldn't crop in mind. So the main question is, why is it justified to charge differently from different patients? Number one, it depends upon the requirement of the patient itself. Let us take an example of cough. A child of 8 years coming with cough and a male aged 55 years coming with cough. Now, both these persons are suffering from the same cough, but the introspection, but the investigation, but the carefulness that I will treat this 55 years old will be different from what I will be treating this 8 years old. Because if a child is giving a symptom, then there are less chances that there will be any pathology. But if this 55 years old person is giving me any symptoms, then I will always think that is there any pathology due to which the patient is giving such symptoms. So I will have to investigate more in case of this 55 years old person. And based on that, my treatment for this 8 years old will also be different from this 55 years old. And hence the consultation fee of the doctor for this 8 years old can naturally differ from this 55 years old. That was point number one. Point number two are simple and complicated cases. See, few cases coming to the doctor are simple. They are simple to treat. And few cases are complicated. So these complicated cases will require more time, will require more investigation, more research, more introspection. So the fee for both these cases can also differ. And point number three, Few cases require short-term treatment, few cases require long-term treatment. So the fee for both these types of treatment will also differ. For short-term treatment, the doctor might charge differently because the doctor is sure that the patient will get cured in 1 or 2 visits. But in case of long-term treatments, the doctor knows that this patient will require treatment for long. So he might charge differently or even less because to lessen the burden on the patient. So this justification doesn't require any further clarification on why doctors charge differently from different patients. See, the doctors are also human beings. They also have to pay the bills and sustain their families. The house expenses, the electricity bills, the children's school fees, the water bill, and all the essential expenses. And the doctor will have to sustain this from their profession itself. As long as the doctor is not increasing the consultation fee unethically, the doctor can charge whatever is required. And as doctors, you can utilize your profession into doing a lot of social work, like organizing camps, set up camps in your clinic. Then you can set a particular day in a week where you will be consulting free of charge. Or you may join a charity foundation and help the needy who require help. You may also distribute free medicines in your locality or in your area. So there are many ways by which you can actually help people. So these were my thoughts for today. Use the comment section and let me know of your thoughts. Let me know how you like the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.